Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. Today, we are working with die-cut leather. I got some new dies and I'm just so excited about them. So let me show you what we're going to do. I got these dies on Amazon, and they are the latest two that I got, and I'm really pleased with them. I bought dies before off Etsy, and I really wasn't happy with them. So I'm just so happy to have these two that cut really well. If you want to pick up these dies, there's going to be a link to my Amazon store, and they are in my Amazon store. You can check them out. This is the leather that I'm going to be working with today. I've got some remnants of leather that I bought over time. I also have some new leather that I'm offering in my Sharika Original shop, and you can check that out as well. This is an old school die cut machine. It's a Sizzix Big Kick. I don't even think you can buy these anymore. You can buy the one that came out of that. It's a big something, but anyway, you can find them on Amazon, and I think I'll put a link to it. You use it with these plates, these plastic plates. You put your plate in, then you put your die on top of the plate, then you put your material on top of the die, and another plate on top of it. You make like a sandwich, they call it. And you just go to town, rolling your material through. If you want to work with leather but you don't have a die cut machine, I have these shape templates that you can use to trace and cut your leather. And these are some of the earrings that I've made with the die cut, with my templates. This is another pair that I use the templates on. So you can still work with leather if you don't have a die cut machine. All right, let's check out how we do this. These feathers are pretty intricate cuts, so the material gets stuck in there, so you have to be careful about pulling it out, and sometimes you have to get your little scissors and even finish cutting. But these cutters are better than a lot of them that I've had over the years. Since I want two feathers going in opposite directions, I'm using two pieces of material, and I have the face of the material facing each other so that I'll get the feathers cut in the direction that I want. I want them mirrored, like facing each other. I'm using what they call ribbon clamps to put my leather pieces together. And I put the clamp on and I squeeze it to secure the leather. And they have these clamps in all different sizes, and I have these in my Amazon store if you want to pick them up. If you're a creator and you like what you see, I ask that you subscribe, like, share the videos. Come to our Tuesday live subscriber chat. We have a chat. We go live on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. and we invite you to come on stage with us and show us what you do. And we give each other tips and tricks to help each other level up. 2024 is the year that the creator levels up. So come and join us. I like the way that these turned out using the two colors of gold and the silver. And then the next pair is same design but different colors. All right, good people, this is Sherry, and as always, be blessed.